Election 2024 for Goa, comprising of North Goa constituency and South Goa constituency, had a total of 16 candidates, comprising of various cross section and various strata, and from a few hundred crores till about a few lakhs, under 1 crore, we have candidates. We also have candidates who are 8th pass, 10th pass, 12th pass, a few graduates, few professionals, few postgraduates. Almost we had 9 and 7, 16 this time, 16 candidates, but last time we had just 13 candidates in 2019. This time we have 4 candidates with criminal cases. 4 out of 16 makes it to 25%, and out of that, 1 candidate is having also serious crimes. We have a few Karodpati candidates also, 6 of them out of 16, making it to about 38-39%. Become close to 87 crores thanks to majorly 1 candidate who has a little more than this thing, but it is, I think, coming through generations rather than something which has been built up by that candidate herself. We believe as area people that the voters, I mean, as many as possible, they should go to the polling booth and they should vote for the least criminal guy. So असे जर 3-4 इलेक्शनामध्ये जर करीत न्ही, one after the other, तुझी ती प्युरिटी येतली अशी एक.